Welcome back to our Techie99 channel. In this video I'll show you how to make a load in game. So let's start the video. Hey, this is the first time you are watching my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Click here Project Manager and click on Add a new scene and rename it Loading and move it up. Okay, here is. Now change the scene background. Right click here and select this color, green one. Okay, click on OK and click on Add a new object, Sprite, and rename object's name Loading and click on Add an animation, edit with P-scale and here select rectangle tool and this one. Okay. And select red color. And duplicate this frame. Fill this color and again duplicate this frame and fill it, and now change this color yellow and click on duplicate this frame. Again click on duplicate this frame and change this color green. And again duplicate this frame and select this one. And now rename this object's name Loading and click on Save and click on Loop. Now preview it. It's looking good. Click on OK and click on Apply and drag this object on this screen. Okay. And now let's make a code. Go to events, add a new events, add a condition and type here at beginning. Click here at the beginning of scene, add action, loading and select this one, animation speed scale, set to value 1, and again click on a new events, air condition, loading, and here will be when loading animation will be finished. Click on OK, and now click on add action, other actions, scene, and change the scene, and your scene will be new scene. Click on OK. Now let's preview it. Click on preview button. You can see it was so fast. Now let's change it. Change this loading frame. It is so fast. Change this frame. Click on OK and click on apply. Now let's preview it. Yeah, it is good. You can see here. So that's all for today. I wish you like this video and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.